Hello and welcome to the extracurricular dictionaries, and you are watching the ECD Technical. Today I'm gonna show you how you can cast your mobile phone screen or mirror your mobile phone screen on your PC browser. So stick together till the end of the video because every steps matter. So let's start. Now at first you have to do that I have to go to the Play Store on the phone, mobile phone, open it and search for an application named I have forgotten the name, so I will search share screen with HTTP. I will search like that. So on the top you can see that screen stream over HTTP that you have to download. Now I will open it. I have already downloaded it, so I will now open the application. I will go back and open the application here. Now you can see there is three links or addresses which you have to put in the browser, and you can then see the screen, or you can copy the on or you can type the IP address only. So start now. So I will open the browser now on my PC. It is opening. It will take a little bit time. Now I'll simply type the IP address there like that. So now you can see it is my mobile phone screen. So it is very easy to do and quite a simple method. So I am operating it from my mobile phone. I will open the camera now to show you it works properly. So now you can see the desktop interface. So it is working properly. In this type you don't require any type of routing, only your computer needs internet access to open that IP address. So hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button cause it's free and help us grow. Write in the comment section that was it helpful to you or not, and if any inquiry then please write in the comment section. Do subscribe our channel. So goodbye for now. Take care.